this is my identity. I got this object. And I need to get the display name, email ID, employee ID, first name, last name, that's all the
Display names
and
also.
the display name came and employee ID came. To create a Java project. So I clicked on Java project. Now I wanted to write the BeanShell coding. So BeanShell coding like this I'm mentioning it. Okay. And I'm mentioning it too so that it will be top. Okay. BeanShell coding. So I mentioned BeanShell coding and what Java I'm using I'm specifying here. And I click the next. Okay. And here during the program, I need one jar file. I'm not adding it. I want you to see the error, then I'll add it. Okay. I just click the finish. So here I want to write a small class. So my job is to get the identities, right? So I'm writing one class. So that guy is, so something I mentioned is a demo class. So I'm mentioning is just saving it. Okay, I got this code. Now I want to interact with the SailPoint. To interact with the SailPoint, okay, I need to use one method. Okay, that is SailPoint.context method is there. This is my context method. SailPoint.context method. And are you there with me? Okay. Now I have context and I am mentioning the context is equal to, and so now this guy is available. I said it's going to show error, right? So
Yes.
this error is SailPoint given API only. This is the SailPoint given API only. See, same spelling I kept and I kept the same thing. But okay, this error I wanted to take it out. So to avoid that, what I have to add, SailPoint as part of the product, it has given some of the jar files. IdentityIQ.jar file. This I added here. And I kept here and I kept here. So as soon as I kept here and I kept here and after that I am adding one more import statement.
Import. Yes.
So then it is going to remove this error. So as per your response, I can sense it. I'm adding context that get. If I use the context that get, it is going to show me what all the methods is there. Context that get object. See, object by class is there. And here what I'm passing a class. I'm passing one argument and it is passing is the T. So you may ask me what is this T? It means that whatever the class you are passing, that particular class name object if you pass, that particular object is going to return. So it means that now I want to fetch this identity object. I want to get the identity object. So this is my identity object and that particular identity object I want to fetch it out. Okay, this identity. Now if you see in this object I have a name. I am going to pass this name. That time what it does, it is going to return this identity object. Now let me go there. Get object. My name is there. And you may ask me, sir, there are a couple of methods. Is there? What about it? I will be talking about one by one. So I'm mentioning get object by name is there. I'm mentioning here. Whatever the T class I am passing, here now I am passing a class. So and when you are entering this thing, that time you should be cautious. You should not use java.security.identity. You have to use SailPoint.object class. You have to use it. And I am passing this thing and I'm passing that name value. Whatever the name is, that value I'm passing. And what I'm doing, I'm giving a semicolon here. Okay, I'm going to give the semicolon here. And after that, if I press the control 1, automatically it is going to return. Since it's my Java code, there are some
Right.
it is expecting, so it is adding. So now what I want to, so I said when I was talking, whatever you are passing, the same kind of object is going to return, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you want, you can write like this: identity object. You can add like this. Okay. And if you don't want to write like this, what you can do, when you are writing, you can come here, Control 1 you can press, and automatically it is going to return whatever the object you are passing, whatever the class you are passing, same kind of object is returning. And I'm passing is an identity object. And now I'm mentioning here, so I want to get this. See, I got this identity object. So if you see, and once I got identity object, I am coming here. This is my identity. There are a couple of methods is there. Get name is there. Get full name is there. Last login name is there. Okay, last name is there. All the methods are there. Okay, and that is what I am going to use. See, identity. All these things. If I want to get identity at modified time, there could be method identity at get modified time. Then I'll get the time. If I want to get, okay, email ID, I'll be having a method identity at get email ID. If I mention, I'll get email ID. Okay, now let's move on it. Okay, are you able to follow me? So what I'm doing, identity at, I want to get the name, first name, those things, and I'll get. So first name is there. I want to get it. So now I'm adding, and technically, okay, you can fetch like this, but real time we will not use directly like this. First, whenever you are applying get method or any object, we have to validate it. Whether that particular value it is null or not, like this, we need to validate it. Real programming, we need to verify whether it is, if it is not null, then go and fetch the value. That is the way they are going to do it in the real time. Normally variables are going to be declared top, and they will come here, and they are going to verify like this. Otherwise, what you know, if you are not null value for applying, if you are trying to apply get method, then it will throw the error. So I got the first name. I want to get the other five values. Okay, email ID, these things and all. So I want to do all these things, right? So I'm just keeping here. And what are the things I want to get the email ID, those things and all. So first I'm defining it. Email ID. And first name.
Last name. First name already we already defined. Last name.
Correct. Last name. And
Employee ID.
yeah, employee ID.
Only 4 fields. On display name.
Yeah.
I depend on values. But now we're starting the code. So we suppose if we are getting any object, we have to use context. This is the default coding procedure. Right. Here, you have to use the context. And now I'm using here, but when I'm taking the Java code into the SailPoint that I want to take.
Out. Okay.
Okay.
I will see that. Okay.
Okay,
And
sure.
I return here. And after that, what I'm doing, and I've taken this thing identity at get first name.
And I want to have other things now.
This is the thing. So I want to have
Finally
the
applied.
employee ID. Okay, there is no method. So that time what you are going to use? You are going to use, as I said, identity at get the string attribute is there. That string attribute, and I am going to pass. In this, I am going to open. I am going to keep this value key. What are the keys that value I'm passing here? And that particular value, if it is not null, I'm going to get it. And after that, what I am going to use, and I am storing into variable, and I saved this thing. So I got this declaration and I printed. Now I want to print them. Okay. So for the printing, what I'm going to use system.out.print, right? So
First name, last name.
yeah, first name, last name, those things, and all we want to print. Okay. Employee ID. Okay. And I kept here. Now I got this code. Okay. Now it is compiled properly. There is no Java error and all. So why I am doing it now? Suppose if it is error is there, you are writing your own. If this kind of error is there, you doesn't know whether it is error or not. When you are running the code, that time you will have a problem. Having said, having this kind of implementation, the benefit is I have written all the code. Okay, I have written all the code. Now what I'm going to take, I need to take this code into the SailPoint. So okay, now I have some existing rules that I'm taking. I'm taking it here. Okay, and I have kept this content what I wanted to save. So now I just wanted to save this rule into the system. First, I just wanted to save into the system, and I kept here. And what I did, I am saving it. Okay, the code is that I kept here.
So now I'm taking all these things. I need not have this all the code. Okay, I'm taking out, and this class SailPoint context also should not have it. So I'm taking this thing. And now this guy, if you see, starting, I have taken out above braces, so I should remove this bottom braces
also.
Bottoms.
So I have taken out all. So now what I did, I am saving this thing. Now if I open, I can see my code. Technically, what is when I run this code and SailPoint context is there, I am passing identity and I am passing the name of the identity, and that particular object has written. That particular object has written. On that object, when I'm running, and I need to get the display name, email ID, employee ID, first name, last name, that all the values. So now I got the methods. So now what I want, I'm going here. My code is ready. And when I run this code, this guy is going to store into is going to print here. In the console is going to print. So now I'm saving this thing. I want to run this code. And when I run this code, that identities, see, first name came, last name came, and that particular identity's email ID came,
Display names
and the
also.
display name came, and employee ID came. So like this, I am going to fetch the value